Hi, my name is Keith Ebnins, and today I'm going to talk to you about the technology website and app Seesaw. I have not had too much experience with Seesaw. Some of my fellow teachers that I have worked with have used the Seesaw app. They have told me a little bit about it, and so I went ahead and did further research on it. Seesaw is known for their remote learning. They have a heading that says we are here to support student teachers and families with remote learning. So what you want to do, the first step, you want to go to Google and then you will type in www.web.seesaw.me when you hit enter. When that happens, you will come up to this page. You will see a YouTube video that will pretty much tell you about how the remote learning with Seesaw works. And then you have a little slogan down here. Seesaw creates a powerful learning loop between students, teachers, and families. That being said, whatever you are doing in the classroom as a teacher, whether it's a project, a an assignment of some sort, you are able to um, post it on Seesaw where other teachers, other students, and other family members can look at it. So the first thing you're going to do after you get onto the website and you look at some of this remote learning information is you're going to go over here and you're either going to put log in or sign up for free. So you're going to go ahead and do the sign up for free. When you do that, the sign up for free information will pop up and you will either put, if you are a teacher, a student, or a family member. I'm going to put a teacher. You'll type in your information, confirm a password, and create the account. Or, since I've already created one, I'm going to go ahead and do sign in. And I will go ahead and sign in. This is what will happen. It will pull up your classes. I've already went ahead and created a class. It is called Keith Ebnins 11th grade American History class. I am a social studies teacher, so I would have on here 9th grade current events, 10th grade world history, 11th grade American history, and 12th grade government. I can add classes right here as I want, and then some of the information will be posted. Then you can go over here and hit this add button for the 11th grade American history. You can post student work, you can assign activities, and then send announcements. So when you post students' work, this comes up and you can put photos, drawings, videos, upload notes, links, etc. This is pretty cool because they can actually visually see what is going on. You can also then assign activities to the students on certain topics, subjects, so forth. Then you'll go ahead and hit back to the class. And then you can also send announcements. What's nice about the announcements, you can send it to all students, all family members, or all students and family members. Or you can individualize a certain student that you want to send it to. Assignments, you can schedule them. They're always archived. When you look at these headings here, you can journal. So if you want to journal, you can put down here the topic that you want your students to look at. Activities, they have a browse activity library, which is pretty cool. That will help set up different scenarios, ideas that will help get your students going on certain topics. And combining your topics with your activities is a way to really show what's going on in your classroom. Your inbox is where you have your student announcements you can put where everybody can see them, family announcements where family members can see it as well. And then over here, what I thought was pretty cool is skills. So this pops up with literacy, grammar, spelling, reading, and so on. For social studies, I can customize this to where it shows quizzes, activities, um, tests, different projects we're doing, so forth, just how I want to adjust it to my certain class. So that's what I would do for American history. It might be different for government, and then so on with current events. Current events might be more towards uh, newspaper articles and video type assignments as well. So that's what this main hub right here does with the journal, the activities, the inbox, and skills. Settings up here as the teacher, you have your student settings and then your family settings. This tells you a little bit about the class, the students, what they're able to access and what they're not able to access as well. You can also put a QR code on here if you want to individualize some of the stuff that you want people to see and only access certain areas. So this allows you to really gauge, or family members to gauge, what is going on in the classroom. Students are able to look and see what else is going on in other classrooms, and then teachers are able to compare what he or she is doing in other grade levels too. This combines academic skills. When you look at Bloom's digital taxonomy, it combines creating ideas, evaluating some of the assignments and skills that you've learned. You're analyzing different people's feedback. You're applying different technology methods. You're understanding what you have learned for academic growth, and you are remembering certain topics and information. This is new to me, so hopefully a few of these skills I will incorporate into my class in the future. And like I said, this is basically the start. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this on Seesaw, and have a good evening.